Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go down until you find ESPN and you will click in this page here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ESPN. And here if you find update you can update your app, so please don't forget to support